Greetings, and thank you for joining us. Today we are doing something a little different. You may have seen stories in the news about the graffiti towers in downtown Los Angeles. The Chinese-based company that owns this property has filed for bankruptcy, leaving this project at a standstill. What struck me was that the majority of the news stories were being spun negatively. As I see it, these unfinished structures adorned by high-quality art are an improvement over the surrounding glass or concrete buildings around them. You have to admit that anyone that would risk life, resources and their freedom to share their art are doing far more than attempting to deface property. We can have the debate whether this is the best canvas for their art, but I am not going to say that this work is not amazing, creative, and passionate. I have been reviewing these art pieces, floor by floor, and have selected my top 5. It was a tough decision. There are so many great works on these structures. At the end of this video, I will spotlight my top 5. Please comment below if you agree, or if there are others that I missed that deserve honorable mention. We need to support these artists. We can debate the best place for the work, but we need to cultivate the best artists and encourage them to continue to share their vision and talent. Before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe buttons so you are notified as we continue to find interesting topics around the country. Now sit back, relax, and look for your favorites. I look forward to your input and will be ready to reconsider my choices if I miss something, or if I just miss the depth of the art.